siapakah orangnya? Siapa? Katakanlah siapakah orang yang telah mendahului aku. Malam pertamaku dambakan telah berakhir dengan kekecewaan dan penuh penyesalan. Yang paling menyakitkan, yang paling menyakitkan, orang makanan-kanannya aku dapat getahnya. Katakanlah siapakah orang yang telah mendahului aku.
You're really cute, I'm also mine, but I need something deeper than this. I wanna know when I'm looking at you that you don't only see the thing you wanna do. Cause I'm not perfect, I'm flawed, and if you don't like that, get lost. Cause I don't wanna eat this pig, I don't wanna eat it just for so. I just wanna eat this real, and anything you want to know, you know. This superficial love thing got me going crazy. Baby, if you want me, then you better need me. Cause I'm so done, I'll be your number one. And if you wanna keep me, then you better treat me like a damn princess, like a diamond prince. Cause I'm so done, I'll be your number one. Coming over in my direction, so thank you for that, it's a blessing, yeah. To never situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Made me wanna sober every moment slowly. You feel me telling me like how you put it on. Get the only key know how to turn it on. The way you never in my ear, the only one I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow, it can't last long. Tú eres el imán, yo soy el meta. Me voy acercando, me vaya, me